Mira, uno más recho porque el humo se ve un fuego amarillo.
Yeah, here we go, guys. Thank you. Oh, God. Let's just do it.
Right. I'm gonna have to have a bun on your spliff.